Hello guys and welcome into a new episode of the apartment renovation. Today was really an awesome day. After a long period of turmoil and of bad thoughts regarding the shower, the good plumber finished today, let's say, the most important work. He had to repair what the bad one made improperly, and also what he also destroyed. So you can see how here the pipes have been remade, simplified and improved. I have now two Y filters for the impurities above the ones that I already have in my basement. Also, he had to repair a pipe there that was broken. The water popped out, and that's why he had to burn that place. Although he had let's say a cloth that I purchased especially for a fireproof cloth, but it's just the way it is. He didn't have anything as an alternative, and it's really no problem because I will repair this eventually with the inlets and with the switches. Also, aside from the fact that he installed correctly now the two Y filters, you can see, so they are facing downwards and horizontally. He also replaced these two valves right here. This filter has been placed closer to the wall, and now I will have more room on this side. These cables will eventually disappear from this. From here, after I will install the combi boiler UPS. And what else? Yeah, this pipe has been simplified, made straight right here in a 90-degree angle there. So it's really perfect. Everything runs as it should. Right now I've stopped the combi boiler. I don't want it to consume so much gas because I'm not moving back in here yet. I still have to wait for the carpenters to apply one more layer of this waterproof stuff, and also this protection for the doors, for the old oak beams in the interior of the doors, so that they will last, let's say, at least 100 years more, and I will not have any problems with the mold or with any other stuff that could eat it. Most importantly, the shower works perfectly, so even as I have that simple combi boiler, that classic combi boiler, finally there wasn't any issues whatsoever with the shower. All that was needed to be done was to have both the water, the hot water and the cold water connected, and of course on the pipes. There are no leaks. I went to the basement and I've checked the electronic measurement gauge or gauge or clock that I have there, and it doesn't let's say register not 0.0001 cubic meters of water when everything is let's say shut. I even took a shower today, believe it or not. I just wanted to test it for myself, and it is such an amazing feeling, a warm and a gorgeous feeling to bathe beneath this shower, this rain shower that I really didn't want to get out of it anymore. I was surrounded by such a pleasant, warm water. It was amazing. So I will show it to you right now. Right here on this side, this is the controller. When you take it down like this, the water is as cold as it can be. And until here, where it has the first stop, right here, it has about 38 degrees Celsius. If you want it to be hotter, you need to press on this notch, and now you will be able to turn it to the max. But and you can see when you turn it back to 38, it pops out, and again it is blocked right there. If I press this button, the rain shower will go on, and press it again, it will stop. If I press this shower will go on, and let's see. You can see all the water drops right there. The combi boiler went instantly, since the water is set to 39 degrees, so everything works amazingly. And even as it is, with this shower, with this protective glass, I could take a bath right now as it is, and I would not spill the water on this part. So it's really amazing. I will stop it right now. Everything drains very well. I also took that small shower. The combi boiler is now shut off. With that small shower, I washed this entire radiator, and the water dropped right there, and it came near the wall right there, and eventually went into that drain. But it's true, there is some water that gathers on that part right there, but really it's not something really bad. When I heard that the shower works perfect, I was so ecstatic, so I felt such a bliss that I cannot tell you. So this really, it's nothing. The cabinet that will be here beneath the sink will have anyway plastic feet, plastic basement that will be adjustable in height, so the wood will not sit on the water. It's really no problem whatsoever, and also it will be really massive wood. It will last a lifetime. This is about it. Again, the toilet also works perfect. I am so glad that this issue was solved eventually. Now I have to wait for the carpenters, as I told you, to put another layer of waterproof oil in the bathroom and in the lobby, in the hallway here. And aside from that, I have to wait for the cabinets of the sinks in the bathroom and in the kitchen to arrive. This one at least takes forever, since it's made custom from massive wood. This one will be from let's say it will not be massive wood, but still I have to wait about 5 working days for it to arrive. Maybe at the end of this week I will receive it, and I will use my my old sink, which is really okay, all good, until I will see if I will invest more. But a massive wood kitchen is really expensive. It gets to about 3,000, 4,000 euros easily if you will make it entirely. And I will have to see about that. I will try to take the let's say strict the necessities, the basic ones, and bit by bit I will eventually renew everything. For the oven, I will use my old Electrolux appliance, but I will need a new fridge and a new washing machine, so these two will also be expensive. Not to mention, inside the living room I will have to search for some shelves, some furniture as well there. And after the oil here will be dried out, let's say in 2, maximum 3 days, I will also call the electricians to finish the everything to put this router and VR up inside that that IT cabinet. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm also expecting the doors to arrive maybe next week. I can't wait to get back to my apartment, and for sure the end of this month will find me back home. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best to manage to pass by and pass over all the misfortune that life throws at us. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next ones. Take care wherever you are. Bye bye.